Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can easily create playlist into your YouTube channel or videos. So first of all, hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like the video or comment below if you like this video and enjoy this video. So go to the video. So first of all, here you have to go to YouTube Studio on your desktop of your Chrome or CD, anything if you are using Android phone or iOS mobile. So here you can easily change any setting from YouTube Studio. Now you can see there's a lot of option you can see on the screen of your YouTube Studio. From here you have to touch on any video and set this to the playlist. This is very easy method by using which you can create playlist of your channel. So here first of all I'm searching all the option that I need now, but I need only playlist option. So here you can see in the second row you have to go, there's all the content like all the short and long videos of your channel. So you have go to the short video. I'm creating a playlist of the short video, so you have to go to the short videos because there's a lot of short videos and only one long video of my channel. So here you can see on the screen on the top bar there is an option of playlist. So you have to press on playlist. After there's an option add. So here you have to add the video from your channel. You can add any videos. There's a lot of videos on my channel, so I am now selecting all the videos of my channel and add them in a playlist. So here you have to add all the videos. If you want, you can also add one video, two video, three video, or all the videos of your channel. And you have to title means that you have to name the of your playlist. So this is gaming channel, so I am naming playlist as a gaming channel. So then after that, selecting all the videos, you have to search on save, so the playlist of your channel will be saved. So after that I will show you the results that this technique will work for your channel. And after that, if you want to add more videos, there's also an option you can edit your playlist and add more videos. So here you can see on the screen the playlist is created. Thank you so much for watching the video.